Every woodworker should have this circle jig. It only takes 5 minutes to make and it's worth every second of your time. Okay, this jig is so simple to make. I made this one out of just some scrap plywood and a couple of nails. And it works so well that I made this nicer version of it. So let me show you now exactly how this works. Here's my round piece of wood, and I want to find the center of this. So the way this jig works is I place the piece on here, making sure that the two pins are firm against the circumference of my round stock. Then when I turn it over with a pencil, I make a line, rotate it, make another line, and I have the exact center of my workpiece. Where this jig comes in particularly handy is if you're a turner. Now, before turning your material into a round stock, it starts off square, and that's very easy to find your center point on this. But let's say that you've turned your piece, you take it off the lathe, you cut it down, and then you realize you have to make this diameter smaller. Well, you just lost that center point for your tailstock. So this jig is an absolute dream to have to get it reset back up. Now, if you're liking what you're seeing so far, please like, subscribe to this channel. We have new videos every week. And in the link below, you can sign up for a free monthly newsletter packed full of all kinds of woodworking information. Okay, enough jibber jabber on my part. Cue that dance music. It's as easy as that to make your own circle jig. Now, I will say that this works great on medium and small pieces. But if you're going to work on something larger, say like the seat of the stool, I would suggest making a larger one and moving these pins out farther. That way it has a wider area to ride on the circumference of the circle. But all in all, this is a jig that's going to help you in your shop. And the whole purpose of my show is to make you a better woodworker. Thanks so much for watching, and tune in next time for another episode. Until then, keep on dancing.